Hey, how's it going? And today I just wanted to do a super quick video on what a creative object interface was. And I'm doing this because I myself was confused. I put together this little graphic that helped me get it clear in my head. And a lot of this is based straight out of the Verse documentation. We have something in Verse that's called a creative object. And as you can see right up here, it's the base class for creative devices and props. So down here we've got the children, so it's the parent or superclass, and then the creative devices or the creative props are the children. But one thing you should notice is that look, both the creative object, which is the base class or the parent class, also inherits from the creative object interface, and so does the creative device. So they both share this what's called a creative object interface, and I did a whole tutorial about what an interface is, and that's its own separate thing. I guess what's unique about it is that when you have this situation where you've got a parent and a child that are sharing the same interface, that it allows for parent-child referencing. And you'll see this a lot with the use of tags, because what's returned is the interface itself, the creative object interface, because it does allow this parent-child referencing. So just to put it in simple terms, if you think about it, if we can find a parent, then we can reference its child. And if we can find a child, then we can reference the parent. So if I was just thinking about it like, if you were looking to find somebody's kid, if you find the parent, you'll probably find the kid. And if you're looking to find the parent, if you find the kid, you can probably find the parent. So it's an interesting way to think about it, but it helped me just to get it clear in my mind, because I didn't understand why this creative object interface kept popping up, because I think of that as a contract. I think of it as something completely different, but there's this facet to it that I didn't realize in Verse. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Take care and have a great day.